Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert watermark in Google Docs on computer. So how to insert watermark in Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. To add, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap this Insert menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Watermark menu. Here it will appear on the right side of the screen like this. Here there are two watermark options: Image and Text. For images, tap this plus icon. Now go to the folder. Tap the image to be selected. Now here it's finished. For the text watermark, tap the Text menu. Now in this section type text as the watermark content. Here you can change the text type. You can also edit the size. Size position fonts also form this watermark. Do the box that I did. After finished, tap Done. This feature functions to add a watermark in the form of text or images behind the document content, helping identification or branding. So that's it, tutorial how to insert watermark in Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.